Today I'm going to show you how can you install AI locally in your machines. Notice this step is same for all AIs. Firstly, you just need to download and install this llama. As for me, I won't show that because it's just that easy that everybody will know it, and I already have installed it in my machine, so you just need to download it.
Go to all the links will be in the description, so you can check out there. So just which version you want, 8p, 10p or more. I don't recommend for the whole. I will recommend 8p as it's light and quite efficient. Just go to command prompt and just paste it. Now the server, it will just install automatically. Now just it will depend on how the internet speed is yours. It may vary that firstly it will seem slow, but it will increase gradually, so let's just be patient. Here we can see it already installed. Let's just ask who are you. Know that it's literally sluggish. This depends on your device also, so know that this is only text based there, so you can't generate images or some sort of those things. So if you want furthermore, you can just do that. For furthermore running, you can just instead of just pasting here, you can just go in this github repository, and I will just keep the links here in the description, and you can just paste these codes like we have just run this code here. Now if you want this furthermore, you can have just run more. Furthermore, I will install this one later, so it will be so much fun to try new things. So let's try it, and this video ends here. So if you liked it, thank you.